Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you spend your money wisely because, let's face it, who has time for buyer's remorse? Today, we're diving into a battle that's hotter than your grandma's chili. The Apple iPhone SE second generation versus the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. And trust me, this is going to be juicier than a soap opera. So grab your popcorn and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. The iPhone SE second gen costs $156, and the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is $158. Gasp! $2 whole more. That's like half a cup of coffee in New York. So if you're pinching pennies, you might want to consider the iPhone. But hey, we're not here to save pennies. We're here to make smart decisions. Moving on. Next, compatibility. The iPhone SE is like that friendly neighbor who gets along with everyone. GSM, CDMA, you name it. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 is an international superstar with dual SIM capabilities, but doesn't come with a US warranty. So if you're a globetrotter, the A15 might be your jam. Just don't expect Uncle Sam to help you if it breaks down. Now, battery life. The iPhone SE promises a minimum of 80% battery health. That's like saying, hey, I'll get you through the day, but don't push it. On the other hand, the Galaxy A15 comes with a whopping 5,000 milliamp hours battery. That's enough juice to power a small village. Or, your phone for a couple of days. Clearly, the A15 is the Energizer Bunny here. Time to talk about cameras. The iPhone SE rocks a single 12 megapixels rear camera. It's simple, straightforward, and gets the job done. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 is like the Swiss Army knife of cameras. A 50 megapixels main shooter, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide, a 2 megapixels macro, and a 13 megapixels selfie camera. It's got more lenses than a hipster at a photography convention. So if you're into capturing every moment from every angle, the A15's got your back. Let's talk hardware. The iPhone SE is like that reliable old friend who's been through thick and thin with you. It's got tested battery health, passed full diagnostic tests, and minimal cosmetic damage. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A15 is the new kid on the block with its MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, and expandable storage. It's like comparing a classic Mustang to a brand new Tesla. Both are cool, but in very different ways. Based on Amazon reviews, the iPhone SE second generation is praised for its reliability, good battery health, and ease of use. However, some users faced issues with the battery life and carrier compatibility. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is appreciated for its excellent battery life, dual SIM capabilities, and overall performance, although some users encountered problems with the power supply and US compatibility. So, there you have it. The iPhone SE second gen is like your reliable best friend, trustworthy, familiar, and gets along with everyone. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is the flashy new kid, powerful, feature-packed, and ready to take on the world. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.